Hi, this is Vince Stambros with Helix Water District's Water Conservation Department. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace an irrigation valve. Irrigation valves are one of the most common types of outdoor leaks, and they are not too difficult to replace. Irrigation valves turn on and off each zone in your sprinklers. There are two places where a valve will leak, either out of the valve itself or out of the lowest emitter in that zone. Either way, these can cause water waste and even damage, so it is important to fix these leaks. For this repair, we only need three things: the valve, adjustable pliers, and plumber's tape. Depending on the construction of your valve, you may need other materials. This valve is above ground, on a coupling connection, so there is not any sawing, cutting, or gluing required. To get started, we'll shut the water off at the water meter. Next, we'll bleed the pressure from these lines. Once the pressure is drained, we'll use the adjustable pliers to loosen any fittings that we cannot unscrew by hand. We'll want to disconnect the valve wires, and remember which wires you used so that you can rewire the new valve. Since this is a threaded valve, we can reuse the pipe and fittings. Remove the old plumber's tape, and make sure that the threads are clean. We'll add new plumber's tape to cover the threads, and 1 to 2 rotations around the pipe is plenty. Now screw in the pipe fittings. Hand tight is fine for now, and we'll tighten this more later. We'll want to make sure that we install the new valve in the right direction. Look for the arrow on the valve. The arrow should point in the downstream direction and away from the side that supplies the water. Hand tighten the couplings, then tighten with pliers. The threads may come loose, so be sure to tighten these with pliers too. Reconnect your wires and seal in waterproof wire connectors. Go to your water meter and turn your water on slowly. Finally, test your zone from your irrigation controller to make sure that your connection works. For more projects and tips, please visit hwd.com/DIY.